Okay, move over to the last story of the day. This is well, it's kind of a nice one, to be honest with you. There's NHL playoffs are going on, Stanley Cup Finals. And here we have a Colorado Avalanche fan. He got banned from the rink. And the reason was because he took his friend's ashes and tried to spread it on the ice.
Oh.
Now, he had his friend. He was his best friend. They were diehard fans of the Avalanche. And they used to go to all the games together. And it was his best friend. And he died in a kind of unexpected, just died. They don't really go into how he died, but he died unexpectedly. And this guy thought that the only fitting thing to do would be to throw his ashes on the ice surface at the arena.
While there's a live game?
No, he tried to get there early, get down near the ice, and get some of those ashes on there. Now, he got spotted doing this by one of the rink attendants. And obviously, you can't do this. And they're concerned with what are you trying to even put on the ice? They got to protect the safety and things like this. He had a little baggie with the ashes in it. And he got it over the glass and onto the ice. I don't think it was all the ashes. I think it was a portion of the ashes.
Just a sprinkle?
He confessed that he knew the idea could have some serious repercussions. Realistically, again, and this is his quote, not the brightest idea, but in my heart, it was the best way I could give tribute to my friend for what he truly loved more than anything in the world. Now, when the usher noticed what was going on, he said, "Hey, dude, what was that?" And rather than trying to hide what it was, he said, "Well, to be honest with you, that was my best friend, Kyle. He died." And he said, hey, if you're familiar with an ice rink, the Zamboni comes and pours water and pulls off whatever snow buildup was there. It's not going to be embedded in the ice or anything. It's a symbol, really.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It was a bonding thing. They were super fans of the Avalanche.
Wow.
And it was funny because I was like, well, obviously you have a problem if everybody tries to do these things. But in this circumstance, I feel like it's worth it for this guy to get banned. Because that's meaning to him. It's a way of grieving. It's a way of doing right by your best friend. It's like there's so much more to it. He says here, "I'd do it all over again with the biggest smile on my face like I did the last time. I know in my heart that's where he wanted to be."
Wow.
Anyway, so shout out to those guys. And I don't know. I have a feeling, get the article out here, I have a feeling he'll be let back in. I have a feeling he'll be back at a Colorado Avalanche game at some point.
All right, yeah. I agree.
Thanks to everybody who joined us here today on a wonderful Sunday. Thank you for all the super chats. Everybody participated. Thank you to Willie Doo for putting it all together. And we'll see you next week. Bye.